this section, we're going to focus on reactive movements for the body. And this first exercise is for reactive balance, and it's called a squat jump. So again, with this exercise, we're going to need a little bit more room to move. All right, so we're going to find ourselves in a position with the feet about hip distance apart. We're going to sink into the legs in order to load them. And then from this position, drive our body upward and forward to land in a second squat position. From here, we hold for 3 to 5 seconds, and then we do it again. So once again, the squat jump movement, we want to load the legs up, explosively propel forward, land and hold for 3 to 5 seconds, and then do that again. And then again. And that is an example of reactive stability. This next video demonstrates reactive strength. So again, looking at those plyometric type movements, this exercise is going to demonstrate what I like to call a plyometric lunge, or an alternating jumping lunge. What we want to do here is set ourselves up with a nice wide stance, right, and position ourselves so that the front knee is always going to remain over the front ankle. The back knee will be able to drop towards the floor. From this position, we're going to propel our body upwards and change legs, being sure that we absorb the landing, drawing our back knee towards the floor. And then we're going to do that again. Now what we want to create here is a tempo that's about medium in speed, and the movement keeps repeating itself. Right? So again, the plyometric lunge, or the jumping switch leg lunge, propels up and sinks down, using the legs to drive the body upward and to absorb the landing. A medium pace in a repeating manner. And that's an example of reactive strength training. This last exercise is meant to demonstrate reactive power. What we're going to do with this exercise is make use of an obstacle, in this case a hurdle, but you can also use a pylon or even draw a line on the floor in order to propel your body back and forth over it. Right. We're going to set ourselves up today for a 2-foot lateral jump. So coming to the side of your hurdle, we're going to bring the legs together, load up the legs, and then jump laterally to the other side of the hurdle. Land soft and with control, and then jump back. Now, in order for this to be a reactive power movement, we need to execute again with a speed as quick as we can manage, but still under control. So the exercise would actually look a little bit more like this. And then increasing challenge by increasing the foot speed. And that's an example of reactive power.